So right now we have this pet component. It's pretty much empty. I deleted all the content inside of it. So you and I are going to rewrite this a little bit so it looks a little bit nicer. So this is the pet component's going to show in like the search results page, right? Which is be used here in the results component. So name, animal, breed. We're going to do media, location, and ID. We're going to pull those out of the props that are going to be passed down. The first thing we want to have is a placeholder image just in case, because some of these animals don't actually have images. So we're going to use place corgi, which is my favorite place to grab placeholder images, and we'll grab a 300 by 300 pixel image. And then we'll say if media.length, so if media, which is the photos coming in here, has any length to it, and we'll say, yeah, if media.length, then we'll say hero is equal to media 0, so the first image in here, and the small image inside of it. So that'll give us either the first image that we can find, or it'll give us the place corgi. Okay? And then here we're going to return a href. So this is going to be a link to the details page, which I think will be the next thing that we'll code up together. So /details /$ curly brace ID, and class name equals pet. Inside of that, we'll put a div with class name equal to image-container. And inside of that, an image where the source is equal to hero and the alt is equal to the name of the pet. Okay, beneath that, we'll have div class name equals info. And inside of that, we'll have an h1 with the name, an h2, and here I'm going to use a template string. You also could do this without template strings. It's kind of up to you. I found this easier to do with template strings. So we're going to put animal, and then a dash, and then breed, then a dash, and location. Okay? So a lot of React program looks like this, where it's just constructing markup, right? I mean, a lot of just front-end development in general kind of looks like this. But now, if we go back over and look at our pet component, this should look a lot more pleasant. So let's go take a look here at the adopt me. We'll search for something, and you can see here we're getting back all sorts of pets. So, and you can see here that these corgi ones, these are ones just that don't have images, right? Cool. So go ahead and jump up to the commit here if you're behind. This commit was this one here, async calls to pet finder API update pet component. So if you can jump forward to that commit, you'll be caught up with me.